My name is Anna-Maria von Bunsdorf. I'm the director of the Ateneum Art Museum, and we are here in Helsinki, and we are a national museum. So Ateneum Art Museum has a very long history. It was first built in 1888. First, it was for the national collections, of course, but it was also an art school. We have a very big collection of mainly the Finnish art, which is the main collection of all the iconic works of the Finnish National Gallery. And also we have a prominent collection of international European art. Although we host art from history, it's very important that the questions and the kind of curation is from today's perspective. Audio is something that has been growing every year. I think the first exhibition it was really prominent was when we did the Sibelius and the World of Arts exhibition. So we are not only focusing on the curatorial questions. It's very important to understand how people are moving inside the building, inside the galleries, how they are looking at the paintings. It's all visual, but then there are many other layers that usually people do not recognize. So it's important to introduce some other levels of receiving art and maybe heighten the senses in a way.
Hi, I'm Hannu Ikola. I take care of all the audiovisual systems in our exhibitions and events. After the latest renovation, the goal was to modernize the audio system here in the museum. We wanted to make it flexible, reliable, and also invisible. Ateneum is an old and protected building, so we have a lot of limitations here. The Genelec Smart IP series allowed us a lot of advantages, so we can run power and sound all through one cable per speaker, which is awesome. In our current exhibition, the whole system is fully audio over IP. We are using Dante Virtual Sound Card and Genelec Smart IP Manager to control and route the whole system. One of the biggest wins is how it bridges AV systems and IT systems together. Now it's very easy to run, and it's very flexible and easy to expand. Also, accessibility is a key part of any public space, so the audio system has to serve everyone equally. That combination of high-end sound, smart IP, and visual work perfectly together for our purposes.
So I think in the future, audio will be more prominent. I think the soundscapes are an area we can really develop. Nowadays, what we hear from the audience is that they don't want to see any equipment. We are so much surrounded by them in our daily life. So they want to come to museums, they want to relax, they want to experience something unique. So that is what we are trying to do.